Chapter 11 Sourcing by Premade or Built. The DIY solar panel kit is appealing as far as costs go. Moreover, in truth, many people have found a lot of success and joy from DIY solar panel kits. However, before you overlook premade solar panels and go full DIY, read this chapter carefully, then make your decision. What do you get in DIY solar panel kits? The truth is that it is scarce for a solar panel DIY kit to include all the parts that are necessary for full installation. You will need to make an extra trip to the shop for wires, breakers, conduit fittings, AC/DC disconnects, sub-panel and junction boxes. The deficiencies do not stop here. The parts that you find in your kit rarely ever boast of the same efficiency levels as those found in pre-built panels. This book does not mean to slight any regions, but the truth is that the bulk of DIY parts are, in some capacity or other, sourced from China. Make of that what you will. Efficiency levels, if follows, are mediocre and underwhelming. Moreover, if you believe that efficiency is something that you can overlook, think hard. The better the panel efficiency, the more likely it is that your electric bills get lighter. Also, with low efficiency panels, well, the only way to fight the efficiency problems is to stack as many of them on your roof as is possible. Do you have that much roof at your disposal? The efficiency carries on from the previous chapter. Efficiency will almost always be conveyed as a percentage. By efficiency, we mean the sunlight amount that your panel can convert to electricity. The higher your efficiency is, the higher the watt output. If you use a Costco or Grape Solar DIY panel, the efficiency rarely ever cracks 15%, with an output of 235 watts. Calling this underwhelming is an understatement. By comparison, a solar panel pre-built by Sun Power has an efficiency of 21%, with a watt output of 345 watts. What this translates to is that for every 22 solar DIY panels, you only need 15 Sun Power panels to provide the same wattage. As panels age and take a consistent beating by rain and sun, corrosion eventually sets in. Corrosion affects efficiency levels, and over time, your panels become less productive. Pre-built panels hold up far better, concerning aging, in comparison to DIY panels. Upfront solar panel cost versus lifetime value. It is time to consider cost versus value. These days, the dominant solar power companies out there will not only handle shipping issues, but they also provide personnel to install the panels for you. You will have a warranty to prop you up, a superior product on your rooftop, and all-round assurance that your product will hold up and do so well. DIY solar panels call for you to hire an installer or install it yourself. You may also need to stack more panels on your roof to produce enough electricity. Both of these require money or time. The upfront cost may seem sweet with DIY kits, but the installation costs and maintenance headaches mean that you would not be saving up on much, compared to buying pre-made panels. It is best to purchase pre-made panels from reputable companies. You would be grateful for this decision 5 years down the line. With what we have discussed in mind, let's now move on to talking about grid tie solar.